So I'm Patrick O'Rourke, MobileSyrup's managing editor, and I recently had the chance to check out Samsung's S10, S10 Plus, and S10e at an event prior to their big reveal. So let's get into it. The launch of the S10, the S10 Plus, and the S10e marks the most significant design change to Samsung's Galaxy series since the release of the S7 and the S7 Edge. Though even then, the phone isn't that different from the S9 or even the S8 in most respects. The first thing most people are going to notice about the phone is the new hole punch camera cutout on the front of the screen, which Samsung is calling its Infinity O display. If you've been following the never-ending leaks leading up to the phone's reveal, you'll be familiar with the concept of a display hole punch. Rather than a notch like we've seen with the Pixel 3 XL, OnePlus 6T, or iPhone XS, the S10 series features a circular display cutout for the phone's front-facing camera that's designed to replace a traditional display notch. The hole punch display cutout is surprisingly crisp. There doesn't seem to be any degradation of the screen around the circle in any way that I was able to see. Even the S10e, the entry-level version that Samsung's offering this year, looked great, despite having a lower resolution display. Apart from the cutout, all three phones are less curved than last year's S9 and S9 Plus. Samsung is also selling a more expensive ceramic version of the S10 Plus this time around as well. Camera-wise, the S10 Plus includes two front shooters. One of the cameras is designed to perform depth of field photography tricks optically rather than digitally. The rear of both the S10 Plus and the S10 include three shooters, a standard lens, and a wide and ultra-wide camera. Though more testing is required, the camera performed great in my limited experience with the phone. What I found most interesting is pinching to zoom switches automatically between the different cameras, similar to the Pixel 3. This is a feature I wish more smartphone manufacturers included because it makes more sense than jumping manually between lenses. The next notable thing this year is that the S10 features an in-display fingerprint sensor, similar to the Huawei Mate 20 Pro and the OnePlus 6T. I didn't get a chance to try the scanner out myself, but it seems to authenticate just as quickly as a standard fingerprint sensor. What will be interesting is how long it takes to build up the muscle memory required to know where to place my finger when using this new sensor. This year, Samsung is also introducing the S10e, the entry-level take on the Galaxy S10 series. For the most part, the S10e is nearly identical to the S10 with a few notable differences, including a lower resolution display, a fingerprint sensor located on the side of the phone, Sony style, and only two rear-facing cameras instead of three, a wide-angle and an ultra-wide-angle lens. So those are my quick, brief thoughts on the Galaxy S10 series. There's a more in-depth written hands-on MobileSyrup.com, so make sure you check that out. We'll also have a full review of the phones up on our site in the next couple weeks. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to leave a comment below and let us know which phone you're interested in buying. And that's it.